How long you been in the pickle business?
I've been here for more than a year already.
Nice.
Yeah.
Vancouver has a history of floating homes. How are you?
Good.
You're making fresh?
Fresh, very fresh.
And it's called Muffin Granny Cafe?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put it on my YouTube. Maybe it'll get you some customers. Vancouver has a history of floating homes. Maybe 700 or so located around the Metro Vancouver area on the water. Floating homes. Here at Granville Island, there are 12 of them. We can see them from the sidewalk here. According to the book, 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. Floating homes have a long history of when they were moved up and down rivers and tributaries to have people housed while they worked the mills, logging operations. It's a beautiful morning here, Monday morning. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Looks like Bora Bora is 4,876 miles from here. Bahamas is only 2,953. pretty cool. The mailboxes. The book says there are 12 places, but I think I counted 14 here. So maybe there have been 2 added since it was written in 2019.
Duplex at 15th that I was interested in.
Oh, yes.
It actually went for overlist. Not much. It went for 2.2. Oh. But I think it was for 2.188. But you know, when they first tried to sell it last spring, they were asking 2.6.
Yeah, they didn't come in the market for long.
Yeah.
Something else of interest here on Granville Island, where we're getting to see a number of different things that are part of the 111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. An aside is the Granville Public Market. It was the first market in Western Canada, after which many others followed.
No wrong, everyone exceeds expectations. With you, we are in the school of imagination. No fail, no grade, just do it for your satisfaction. With you, we are in the school of imagination. Reach deep down into your soul. Open your eyes to all unknown. Keep creating your world.
Thanks for watching. See you soon. You the pickle guy?
Hello.
How you doing?
Very good. How about you?
Hobbs Pickles? My mom and sister are a big fan of the pickles.
There you go. How about you?
I like them pretty much too. Are they made handmade or
They're made in New York.
in New York?
Yeah.
Shipped from New York here?
Yeah.
That can't be cheap.
I'm sorry?
That can't be cheap.
No, it's not cheap at all.
So they're high-end pickles.
There you go.
Is Hobbs the only place on Granville Island in Vancouver?
Oh yeah. These are only the retail location.
Is it your shop?
No.
Anyway, I'm gonna put it on my YouTube,
Yeah.
and maybe you'll get some customers.
Awesome.
If you like pickles, my new friend is Roland, right here. He's the Hobbs Pickles guy.
Hello.
He's here on Granville Island, and he's going to give you probably one of the best pickles in the world.
Thank you.
They're made in New York. Hi, how are you? Good. You making fresh?
Fresh, very fresh.
And it's called Muffin Granny Cafe?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put it on my YouTube. Maybe it'll get you some customers.
Ties? Yeah.
You see these ties? This guy's got real ties.
These look good. I like them.
Hey, thanks a lot, man. You're a good one. Yaletown? Okay, thank you. These are my new friends from China, but they live in London, Ontario. Joseph. That's not a Chinese name.
No. You're right.
What's your Chinese name? Si. Ni hao. Shusha. That's the end of it. What's this guy's name? Jenda? Jonah.
Yeah.
From the Bible.
Yeah, we got the name from there.
Did you say, were you part of that whale thing? The big fish?
He survived from there.
What's your name?
I'm Beauty.
Uni? Nice to meet you, Uni. What a beautiful family.